This is hoverboard battery. Also, it is in use in e-bike. That is only size is difference and batteries are more. So normally this battery is 36 volt. You can see clearly this 36 volt battery, and this is the capacity of the volt and this much watt hour. Normally this is Lithium 18650 battery, and this is the dimensions and manufacturers. And we are charging it with this power bank, that is adapter, that is 42 volt 2 ampere. And if you check this one, this is one open. I remove the cover because some batteries are short or dead. Normally this power supply coming from here, connect the negative to the negative and pass. This negative is here and meter selection to the 200 volt. When I check this one, supply is coming to the positive here direct to the battery, and now it is showing 41 volt of almost. So this power bank works like that, power bank and BMS. This is called BMS. This is a battery management system. There is 4 or 5 MOS is on there, MOSFETs, that is used for switching. And this power coming from the adapter direct to the battery, and this cell is being charged with in series, means one cell connect to the other cell like this, it is charging. So there is total, it is called 10S2P, means total 20 cells total with 42 volt charge. And the BMS has this 9 thin wires. You can see here clearly 9 thin wires are there. These thin wires are used for the sensor balancing wires, and the main positive is directly connected, negative is connected through the BMS. Now I will tell this 36 volt battery, 10 cell in series, 2 cell parallel, that is for increasing the capacity. So total 20 cell Lithium battery, and normal voltage for the each cell. If you see this one, it is telling 3.7 volt or 3.6 volt. So when 3.6 volt multiplied by 10, then 36 volt, and when it is fully charged, it's almost giving sometime 42 volts. And why this positive go directly and negative through the BMS? The normal design and charger positive direct and negative through the BMS. What it is BMS is doing, it is controlling the overcharging, over discharge, cell balancing and short circuit. When BMS disconnect the negative side when something is went wrong. And how much voltage at each series cell while charging. So when charging 42 volt charger, cell state voltage per series per group, voltage per series per group. So when battery is empty, it is 3 volt to 3.2 volt. So it will be 3 to 3.2 volt, and half is 3.6 to 3.8 volt, and full charge is 42 volt maximum. Each parallel pair share the same voltage, not the additions. So this BMS is not getting the only each this sensor pin, it is getting 4.2 volt. It will not sense 8.4 volt. So what it is doing actually, these cell balancing wires 10 BMS usually have B minus, this B minus, that is the main battery, and then B1, B2, B3, B4, so on up to B9 and B10. And this 9 tin wires measuring voltage with each series of group. If you want to see, I will show you. So negative is connected directly. This is the first wire, yellow one, and yellow one goes here, here this point. So you can see here 3.7 volt. So it is selecting, and when I go for the second wire, that is blue one is here. So how much is it showing? 7.4 volts. So it is having still some capacity to charge. So but BMS is not measuring voltage, means it is not checking this is 4 volt, this is 7.4 volt. It is checking the voltage between of each cell, means B2 minus B1. So it will select, it will check 4.2 volt. So it knows it is having some ADC inside. It knows this second wire goes to second cell of battery, so it will measure the voltage difference between two voltage. So B1 it will show 4 volt, B2 8 volt, B3 12.4 volt, up to 42 volt. So it is measuring is B2 minus B1, B3 minus B2, and B4 minus B3. So each group of cell it will measure the voltage. So finally it will measure the total voltage also from the output of this negative and positive also connected. You can see here this BMS, this side is red wire and this side is black wire. This is the power supply for the BMS. It is also going from the here, from the BMS. Positive is connected here and negative is connected with small wire here. So this is the power supply for the BMS for the switching. One thing I also want to tell you, if you have BMS and this is in series B1, B2, B3, B4 and by the same way, but if you swap any wire from this one to this one, so what will happen? BMS will confuse. So means balance sensor wire are cumulative. Each thin wire is connected to the junction between the series of bank. So example 10 battery, so B1 one cell, B2 second cell, like this it is. So don't try to swap these wires. These are very sensitive. It will burn the your BMS and it will disconnect your battery, and there is a chances of the over voltage and low voltage and burn and fire. So never swap the wires, always keep the same series. Thank you very much. Please, if you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.